So I think the LTV in TLV session is one of the most amazing sessions I've enjoyed, especially with the AppsFlyer and also our precious MMP partner. This is kind of amazing platform to help as a partner itself to work together with the AppsFlyer to help the overall business in the long-term run.
The LTV and TLV event has been really great at introducing me to the ethos and corporate culture of AppsFlyer.
Israel is really awesome. Everyone should visit. Team is amazing. Lots of learnings. Come for the next event.
I think some of the sessions that I really liked is incrementality, people-based attribution, and the CEO joining us for dinner. His opening speech was amazing, and also bringing in an investor. That is something that we never used to see. Amazing.